How to make Google Chrome your default browser. Full guide. To get started, open the Windows Settings menu. You can do this from the Start menu or by using the search bar and typing Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for Apps and select it. This section includes options for installed programs, app features, and the way Windows handles default programs. Inside Apps, find and open Default Apps. This is where Windows lets you choose which apps handle common tasks like email, music, videos, maps, and web browsing. Since you want Chrome to be your main browser, this is the place where the change needs to happen. When you are in the Default Apps section, take a moment to look through the available options. Windows may already have another browser selected as the current default. Changing the default browser means that when you click on a web link from another app, document, or message, it will open in Google Chrome automatically. If Google Chrome is already installed on your computer, you should be able to select it from the browser options in this area. If Chrome is not installed yet, you will need to install it first before it can appear as a choice in your default app settings. Once Chrome is available and selected, Windows will begin using it as your default browser for supported web activity. That covers everything you need to know.